In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create QuickBooks Online company file. We'll walk through setting up a brand new company in QuickBooks Online from start to finish, so you can begin invoicing, tracking expenses, and running reports with confidence. I'll keep things clear and practical, and you can pause at any point to follow along in your own account. Start by going to the QuickBooks Online website and choosing Sign Up or Try QuickBooks Online. Pick the plan that fits your needs: basic bookkeeping, bills and time tracking, inventory and projects, or advanced controls. If you're undecided, a free trial is a great way to explore. Create your account by entering your business details and setting a secure login, then continue to the setup. QuickBooks will ask for core business details. Select your industry so your chart of accounts and reports are tailored to what you do. Choose your business type, such as sole proprietorship, LLC, or corporation. Set the business start date, often the first day of your fiscal year, or when you want tracking to begin. Add tax identifiers used for payroll and filings, then save. Open the settings gear, go to Accountant Settings, and under Company, review your company name and address, fiscal year and start date, home currency, and default payment terms and invoice preferences. Align the fiscal year with how you file taxes, then save your updates. Next, connect financial accounts. Go to Banking and select Link Account to securely connect bank or credit card feeds, or import recent transactions via CSV or Excel if you prefer. Once connected, QuickBooks will begin syncing transactions for easier categorization and reconciliation. Set up what you sell. Head to Sales, then Products and Services, and create new items. Add a clear name or SKU, choose the correct type: inventory, non-inventory, or service. Enter your sales price or cost and map each item to the proper income or expense accounts. Save each one. Add your contacts. Under Sales, create new customers, and under Expenses, create new vendors. Include contact details, default terms, and any usual accounts, so billing and payments flow smoothly. If you run payroll, go to Payroll and get started. Enter employee information, pay rates, and tax details, then link a bank account